talents of this young legend, man. So we're just incorporating this talented video Afrobeat young man with the Sahel presidents, Ibrahim Traore of Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger. These three military legends are the ones that are moving Africa now. They are the hope of Africa. Actually, people are just looking up to them, to take us to the sky at the moment. But left for the country, Nigeria, and the other useless African countries that are mad, that are just, unbelievable. Their regime and their corrupt and comprehension. So we got to leave it there and try to join Africa, like Bob Marley said, one love Africa, unite Africa. Thank you, guys.